Hi guys, it's ZachAsh232 and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own Minecraft server so that you can play with your friends. The first thing you're going to want to do is just open up whatever internet browser you have and type in bukkit.org. Whoops, I had caps lock on. Okay, so what Bukkit is it's an alternative to the regular Minecraft server that Notch has for download, except Bukkit is better because it supports plugins. So on the right you can see recommended builds. You want to click the one that matches whatever you're running. So if for some reason you haven't upgraded and you're running 1.7.3, then you want to download that. But most likely you and the people you play with will have the latest version. So if you don't have the latest version yourself, you should probably just upgrade and then just download the latest one. So right now the latest Minecraft version is 1.8.1, so that's what we want for our server. So just click on that and then click craft bucket snapshot.jar and just save it. Then the next thing we want to do is hit get craft bucket, and under alternate method for advanced users, and just copy this complicated looking gobbledygook right here and just paste it into Notepad and then save it as I don't know, run.bat, but you can name it anything as long as it ends in .bat. So once you have that saved, just go back to bukkit.org. Whoops. And then just minimize Firefox or whatever. So on your desktop you want to create some kind of folder just to keep your files organized. I'm going to name it Minecraft Server. You can name it whatever the hell you want. Drag it inside. And then you just want to double click on run. What this is going to do is generate all the files that your Minecraft server needs, and it's actually going to create the world that you're going to be playing in. So obviously if you've played single player before, there's that little loading screen where it says like setting up the world and stuff like that. That's exactly what's happening right now. It's creating the regular world and actually the nether also. So that's what it's generating right now, I believe. And it's almost done, and there we go. So as you can see, it says done, and just type stop and hit enter and it'll shut off your server, and then it'll save it and you can just press anything to get out. Okay, so the things we want to look at is the server file. Right here it has your level name, so by default the level's called world, and then this is the nether of that world. But if for some reason you had a world that you have already created and it was named like creeper, you could change your level name so that it opened the creeper world instead. So basically you can change worlds as easily as just copying them into this folder and then typing in their name, but we'll just stick with world. And then you can control whether or not your players are allowed to go to the nether, view distance, whether or not you spawn creepers, stuff like that, whether or not it's online, the difficulty, the game mode, so it can be survival, which is 0, or creative, which is 1, and then whether or not you want to spawn sheep, max amount of players, server IP you can leave alone, PvP is whether or not players can kill each other, then the level seed, so for example the world seed 666 spawns you near a NPC village, which is new in 1.8.1, or rather 1.8, but I don't want that. And then the server port right here is important to remember for later. Allowing flight, you should set that to false because a lot of hackers like make it so that they can fly around in the level when they're not supposed to, although it's creative mode, so it doesn't really matter. So I guess you can just type true for this if you're running a creative server. And then a whitelist is a list of names of people that you trust. If the whitelist is on, anyone who isn't whose name isn't in this file right here won't be able to build or change any of the blocks, which is good if you're afraid of people coming on and ruining your stuff. So my name on Minecraft is Focus232, and I have some friends that I want to add to that I also trust, so just add them to that list. Or if you're not afraid of people coming on and just destroying everything, you can just not have a whitelist. and then the MOTD is like the message that the server puts out when you add it. So I'm just gonna put tutorial. And then just under OPs right here, this is operators, and it's just you want to type in your name and any other people who you want to basically control the server. So once you have that done, you can go back to Bukkit and hit get plugins, and I'm just gonna type in Locket, whoops, which is a plugin that lets you lock your chests and doors, and then just download the jar. And then once that's downloaded, all you do is open your plugins folder and just drag it in, and it's literally that easy. So then you can just run your server, and it should start up pretty fast, and it'll tell you that Locket is enabled, which means that you installed the plugin correctly. And then if you just go under Minecraft, I'm going to show you how to join your own server actually. So just go to multiplayer, and then you type in, or rather you click add server, and you can name this whatever you want. So you can just type in practice, and then for server address for you, the person that's running the server, you just type in localhost. And then as you can see, remember our MOTD from before was tutorial. This is the server right here. So just hit join server. And as you can see, it works fine, although it's going to lag because I'm recording. And then since we're on creative mode, I can, well, looks like it just crashed actually. Oh no, it's just lagging severely. But as you can see, I am on creative mode. But let me exit out of this before it crashes. Minecraft is very finicky when it's being recorded. Anyway, under the server here, you can type in say hi, and everyone in the game will see that the server said hi, as you can see. You can shut it off by typing stop, or you can type in kick. Let's say I wanted to kick myself off the server. You can just type kick and then the person's name, and it'll boot them off the server. And then you just type stop to save and shut the server off. Okay, so you're going to want to give your friends this number. Just go to Google and type in what is my IP, and then it'll give you what's called your external IP address, and it's just a number that your friends need to type in for your server address in order to join it. This number changes sometimes, so just check every once in a while to make sure that it hasn't changed. And then the only other thing you have to do is go to portforward.com. And if you remember from before, under this server file, the server port is 25565. And what you're going to want to do is click on router list and find your router under here. So mine's an Action Tech, which is right here. And just click on whatever model yours is, skip the ad, and then just click on any of these things, and it'll give you a tutorial on how to port forward on your router. And as you can see here, it's telling you to enter 1626 to 1626. You just want to replace that with Minecraft's port, which is 25565. And then once you do that, you simply give your friends the number from before when you type in on Google what is my IP, and they just go on Minecraft and then enter that number, and they'll be able to join your server and you can all play together. So it's really as simple as that. That covers customizing your server, whether or not you want to allow the nether, the max players, stuff like that, plugins, and then the only other thing is the people that are listed under here, like me, can actually use in-game commands. So if you type in on Google Minecraft multiplayer commands, the first page will be operator on the Minecraft wiki, and it'll show you all the different things that you can do. So if you type in /kick, you can kick someone, you can ban someone, you can shut the server off, you can change the time of day, you can spawn items, stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you set up a basic Minecraft server, and I hope that this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching.